Knowing the 5 important elements of Feng Shui and place items in your living space according to the Feng Shui grid or Bagua map as we call it will attract the wealth and encourage personal growth. I'm going to talk about the 5 elements, which is fire, water, earth, metal, and wood. So these 5 elements, if you know how to utilize them, and you will change your destiny. You can proactively control your own destiny. As I have provided here the elements, also they represent different colors. That means you have to arrange the color according to the elements. That will increase the good energy flow into your house. The 5 elements, we need to cultivate our skill to read the surrounding, knowing how to utilize the elements. There are elements in the productive situation, such as if you provide wood with water, that's fortunate. If you provide the fire with water, that's in a conflict, destroy situation. The fire produces earth. From earth, you have the metal. In the ancient time, Chinese find out that any place if have gold, then they always have water, or any place have metal will also have water. So the elements, metal, produce water. Water, of course, produce wood. Water produce growth. The water is one of the most auspicious elements. Water means money will attract enormous wealth. That's why most of the traditional Chinese family, they will have garden pond, keep fish to provide endless water energy. That is also the reason I keep talking about the goldfish, koi, or water garden. The wealth, the money is wood. So with this logic, southeast side is the money, wood element. So you cannot have a fireplace. Because if you have a fireplace there, the money always get burned out. That means the household will never have fortune. And on the south side, that's the fame, that's the fire. So if you want to be famous, if you want to be well known, or if you want your business to be popular, to produce some popular product, then your business, the south side, you need to put some beautiful big-leaved plants. Provide wood symbol just to indicate you have more wood. So this fame will come to you. The earth section, which is southwest or northeast. Southwest, this section is love. If you and your spouse have a master bedroom on the southwest side, good. Add the fireplace, because the fire will produce earth. So make this section to be more productive. If you want to love, then you will have more love, have more affection, more sex, more pleasure. And if you want to have children, then on the west side, then you provide another children's room. Then you will produce more children, because that's your descendant section. So this is all about the elements.